Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your 5th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use basic arithmetic operations between two numbers and two variables. Alright, so as you can see here, I have taken out everything that we did in our last tutorial. I only kept return 0 because it's really essential for C++. So, let's just say, for example, we want to add 3 and 1 together. So let's just put 3 plus 1 and end it with a semicolon. And instead of saving, building, and running separately, we could just press this run icon. And it's going to give us this pop-up here. You just press OK. And it's going to build and run at, like all in one. And as we see here, we got nothing. And that's because we need to put C out to output these numbers. And I'm going to end line here. So let's run this again, and it should get us 4. And it got as far as expected. In order to put in the plus sign, you put in shift and that equal sign that is at the left of backspace. If you want to put in minus sign, you put in the minus sign of the that's on the left of the equal sign. If you wanted to put in multiplication sign, you press shift 8. Division sign is going to be at the left of the R shift, and it's a forward slash. And if you wanted to put in modulus, a modulus sign is an operation where it only gives you the remainder of these two numbers that are being divided. So you put in shift 5. So if we put in the minus sign, it should give us 2 as expected. Let's press OK. And it got us 2. If we put in multiplication sign, it should get us 3 as expected. And if we put in division sign, it should get us 3 as expected. And if we put in the percent sign or the modulus sign, it should get us 0, since 3 over 1 is 3, and it's a whole number, and there's no leftover. And we got 0 as expected. So what if we wanted to mix all this into the output? Well, the computer will calculate it with the order of operation PEMDAS, like how we actually did it in grade school. So let's just put in 2 parentheses 3 plus 1 plus 6 times 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. This computer will compute the parentheses first, and it's going to do the multiplication, and then it's going to add at the end. So it's going to be 10. So if we run this program, it's going to show us 10. Okay. If you wanted to add in two variables, so if you want to add two variables together, you declare as you usually do, and you would assign it as you usually do. So I'm just going to assign 2 to x, and I'm going to put into y, and assign it to 8. Then you put in x plus y, just like that. And it's the same thing with minus, multiplication, division, and modulus. So let's run this program. It should get us 10. And it got 10 as expected. But what if we want, say, let's just type in this number, and let's just say we want to divide 3, we want to divide 1 from 3. So let's run this. And it got a 0. It didn't get us a decimal point. So in order to have the computer show you the decimal point, you just put 0 on each numbers. And you run it. And it got you this decimal number as expected. For the variable, that's easy. You just put in double. And then if you wanted to put in x divided by y, it should get you 0.25 as expected. It should give you a decimal point, decimal number. And it got 0.25 as expected. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.